You never need a first aid kit, until suddenly you really do. One wrong step, one slip on a wet rock, one surprise bee ambush, boom, chaos. But when you're prepared, you're calm. You're confident. You're the hero of the moment. That little box of bandages and bravery becomes your lifeline. A first aid kit isn't just a box. It's peace of mind in a pouch. It's your personal emergency room on the go. Cuts, stings, blisters, burns, life throws, curveballs, but you'll be ready. Bandages stop the bleeding. Antiseptic wipes keep infection out. Tweezers yank out splinters like a champ. Pain relievers fix headaches before they ruin your day. Gloves keep things clean when stuff gets messy. Simple tools. Serious protection. And that's just the basics. Level up your survival game with smart additions. Splints help stabilize fractures when help is far away. Emergency blankets trap heat when temperatures drop. CPR masks protect you while you save someone else. Sting relief wipes and antihistamines tame nature's tiny villains. Suddenly your kit isn't just first aid, it's full-on life support. But gear alone isn't enough. You've got to organize it. Pack it so you can grab what you need in seconds, because emergencies wait while you dig. Use zip bags. Label everything. Keep the most used items on top. Trust me, rummaging through a messy kit while someone's bleeding is not the vibe. Oh, and don't let your kit expire into uselessness. Rotate meds. Replace used items. Check it twice a year. Tune it to fit each trip, hiking, camping, off-roading, home use. Each one needs tweaks. Adventure smart, pack smarter. And here's the final power move. Learn the basics. CPR, wound care, how to stop a bleed. A 2-hour first aid class can turn you from bystander into lifesaver. Confidence doesn't come from gear. It comes from knowing how to use it. Because being prepared isn't paranoid, it's responsible. It's powerful. It turns fear into action and panic into control. Accidents happen, but with the right kit and the right mindset, you're always ready. Now go build your kit, because safety isn't optional when adventure calls.